Okay guys, as requested, I'm going to show you guys how I came up with this arrangement. So what I did guys, these coffee filters, I did them in sets of twos. I took these coffee filters and I soaked them in acrylic paint. I let them dry in the oven on 150 and I trimmed them in gold. So I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to take a pinch of hot glue. Take a pinch of hot glue, fold it like that guys. Take a pinch of hot glue, fold it like that guys. Take a pinch of hot glue, and I'm doing them in sets of two. Fold it like that guys. So after I take the pinch of hot glue and fold it like that, the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up guys. I put the glue too far to the end. I'm going to take it and I'm going to open the filter up. I'm going to open it up into the rose petal that it is. Take it, open it, open it, open it, open it, open it, fluff it out, open it, open it, open it, make it nice and fluffy. So once I have opened it and made it nice and fluffy guys, like that, I got it all the way open, nice and fluffy. Then I take the back side guys and take hot glue on the back side, and then I take it to the back of my this what is this? This is an empty roll thing from a saran, big saran shrink wrap thing, and I glue it on there. And then I get my next one, same thing, open it, open it, open it, pluck the rolls, open it, and then you can color it any color you want. Some people use food coloring. I just use acrylic paint. So if you guys can see, I'm opening the rolls, open it, and once I get to the desired way that I want it open, the back of it, the hot glue, put it right there, and then I take it and put it on the back of my shrink wrap, glue it, and then you can fluff them as much as you want guys. Fluff them as much as you want, fluff them as much as you want. And then I got one more space to do, and again, open it, open it, open it, open it, open it, and then you can trim it in any color you want, but my living room is gold and brown, so that's why I did like the peachy color rose and the brown. And then again, the hot glue, and right here in the closing area, and put it there. And then at the top, I just close off the top. I didn't close off the bottom. And this is one of them big, you know, when you go to like when you get ready to move and you get them big shrink wraps. So if you guys can see, that is how I created this arrangement. And you just fluff them to the way that you want them guys, but that's how I created this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.